Hey guys, today we're going to look through the week 3 part of your quarter 1 project, which is all about ecological relationships. So we're going to see how organisms interact with one another in this part of the project. We look at words like predation, competition, mutualism, commensalism, parasitism. Hopefully you've read a little bit about that by now or done the Edpuzzle video from earlier in the week. Predation is a predator-prey relationship. You have one predator that preys on a different organism. Competition is when multiple organisms are competing for the same resource. Mutualism is when two organisms benefit from their relationship with one another. Commensalism is when one organism benefits in the relationship and the other organism isn't really benefited or harmed, so it's not really a bad thing or a good thing. And then parasitism is when one organism benefits and one is clearly harmed. Here's a video. You should watch this video, and then it will take you right through the next set of questions here. So go through, read the questions after you've watched the video, answer each of these, and then we get to this part where you're going to view some videos, answer some more questions, click the links as you go so you'll know what you're talking about. And then finally, take the little quiz at this link and then put a screenshot of your quiz results here. And as long as you make a 90% or higher, you can move on to the next part. Now here's where we get to the project. You're going to need to be able to take some pictures and have a little notebook that you can write some things down in. You're going to search your ecosystem for examples of each of those ecological relationships. You're going to take a photo of something demonstrating that relationship, and then take notes as to why you believe that is an example. And then you're going to put your photos and notes in the following slides. You're going to need a few examples of predation, a few examples of competition, a few examples of mutualism, and a few examples of commensalism, and then an example of parasitism. And that's it for this week's portion of the project. One thing to remember is if you get through your ecosystem, you've taken as many possible pictures of examples as you can possibly find, and you can't find anything further, it is okay at that point to go to Google, find some examples on Google, and then explain why you chose those examples, why they fit under that category. You can do the pictures and the descriptions that way. Again, only do that after you have found every possible thing you can find in your actual ecosystem. But at that point, you are definitely welcome to use Google. As always, if you guys have any questions, send me an email, and I will be very happy to help you out.